Mga ka-OneSky, nandito tayo ngayon sa Angat, Bulacan para bigyan kayo ng idea at i-share sa inyo ang mga premium aluminum windows and doors ni OneSky. So ang unang i-share ko sa inyo is the J69 casement and awning window. Kung makikita nyo, lahat ng bintana na naka-install dito is the J69 casement and awning window. So J69 is one of our premium aluminum window. So pakita ko sa inyo sa loob. Dito kasi sa labas, ang makikita lang natin is the window panel lang. Yan. Sa loob yung security screen niya. So pasok tayo sa loob. This is the J69 casement and awning window. Ang kauna-unahang window na merong integrated security screen. So this is the hard mesh screen. Yan. So makikita nyo pati yung profile niya is malapad na din. Yan. And this is the glass panel. Kahit yung mga hardware and accessories nito is premium na din. So kung makikita nyo, this is the multi-locking system niya. Yan. There's more. Hindi lang security screen ang magandang features ng J69. Meron din itong optional na aluminum grills. So kung makikita nyo to, meron siyang space dito. Naka-ready siya para sa aluminum grills kung gusto natin siyang lagyan ng aluminum grills. Next here is the bifolding doors. Kung gusto nyo yung balcony or yung partition nyo is magamit yung max opening, OneSky bifolding doors is your best choice. So upstairs, meron ding J69 window and the premium sliding door. We also have here is the J69 casement and awning window. Yan. So kanina meron tayong bifolding doors. Next naman is the HT132 sliding door. So this is the premium sliding door na merong security screen. Ayan. Very premium na door panel. As you can see, yung security screen panel niya is very premium na din. Yan. So, malapad na rin siya, gaya ng glass panel. And yung mga accessories nito is very premium din. So, ito yung handle niya. Handle with lock. Yan. Ito yung locking system niya. The premium flash lock ng screen panel, and very smooth din ang pag-slide ng screen panel and glass panel. So if you're looking for premium and high quality sliding door, HT132 is your prime choice. And meron din ditong HT132 sliding door. Sa mga hindi pala nakakaalam, Ang kulay na pinili dito is the wood finish number 3. So meron tayong iba't ibang kulay ng wood finish. The wood finish number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and wood finish number 5. So that is the 3 premium aluminum windows and doors of OneSky. The J69 casement and awning window, the bifolding doors, and the HT132 sliding doors. For more information, just leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe and follow our Facebook page. So tandaan, basta aluminum, OneSky!